In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom label in Google Merchant Center. So in order to do this, what we can do is we can head over right here into our Google Merchant Center next. Go over the marketing and you can see in here the ad campaigns. Once you're currently here, the next thing that you need to do is you just need to head over and go to the configurations tab. So make sure that you already connected your Google Ads for this one and you just need to create a campaign. So if you have some errors under this part, just click onto this fix option and then go to the Google Ads account in order to actually manage or create a campaign from there. So you can head over to your Google Ads for this part. Just go to ads.google.com. And from in here, you should be able to see those from there and create your own label. You just need to sign in using the same account that you use for your Google Merchant, and you should be able to make this possible. You can choose from custom label 0 to custom label 4 based on this case. So that's how you actually add custom label in Google Merchant Center. Hope we helped.